Have you noticed some small pulls or nubby threads sticking out of your rug? Don't panic. Here's a short video talking about sprouting. No vegetables here, just good information on maintaining your investment. One of the techniques used in hand knotted rug making is the addition of hand spun wool. When you hand spin wool, you are literally twisting the raw wool with one hand while spinning it onto a wheel with the other, thereby creating the yarn. Hand spun wool gives a very nubby, textured finish, which is very popular in today's design mixture of antique and modern. It makes rugs look older because it's the old way of making rugs. Hand spun wool rugs sometimes experience what we call sprouting. Sprouting is a very normal part of the break-in process and is due to the nature of hand spun wool. It will often look like nubby loose threads sticking from the pile of your rug. If you see sprouting occurring in your rug, don't panic. Your rug is not falling apart. Simply get a good, sharp pair of scissors and clip the loose fiber even with the top of the pile. Then just vacuum the leftovers.